Definitely I would save this video and bookmark it, because in this video I'm gonna show you a massive, huge collection of these websites that have many tools you've got to use in your projects and your work to make one online. So now kick back and now let's get started. And now let's get started with this amazing website that says start.me. And for sure, all these URLs and all these links in this video I'm gonna leave down below in the first comment and description box. So here, regarding this amazing website, here you can find huge amounts of these tools to solve any problem you have in your projects, in your workflow. As you see here, you can find amazing like license plate, another for video, for audio, for image editing, and for cryptocurrency, Google, CS, email tools, productivity, as you observe, of course, based on AI power. So here you can find many of these generators, ID like username generator, fake name generator, resume generator, and much more of all these tools you need in your work, as you see. So you can use this amazing website as a directory to search for anything you want to get it. Okay, Reddit search engine and so on and so forth. So the first website here is start.me. And the second website quickly, that is artplayer.org. Here you can find plenty of these tools regarding video and audio editing. So for sure, here you can find amazing video tools like trim video, resize video, compress video, convert it to GIF, mute video, loop video, reverse video, and much more of all these tools completely for free. So for example, if you just explore one of them, like you can go something like split video. Here you have a YouTube video, for example, to split it to different equal parts that you can actually share them later on TikTok, YouTube Shorts as you want to get more traffic to your own main video. artplayer.org. And the second website quickly, that is toolxox.com. For sure, here I just talked about this amazing website in different times previously. And here, toolxox have many of these tools that enable you to be more professional in your work. So starting with this one, AI chatbot. Here you can find a specific chatbot here regarding this amazing website that directs you to different chat models to use completely for free. Or even better, you can head over to this one, like for AI vocal remover, watermark removal, different amazing ones. AI tools here that includes AI image extender, AI image enhancer, face generator, filter effects, ampler, blur, nano banana AI, PNG upscaler, and much more of all these image editing, of all these image editors. And likewise for audio generator, videos, writing tools. It's awesome section here on this amazing website. Essay checker, grammar checker, text summarizer, article rewriter, and the SEO tools. The section I love so much here enable you to find amazing SEO keywords people are searching in different popular platforms, including DuckDuckGo, Google, Amazon, Fiverr, Etsy, and much more. So you can use all these tools completely for free. And now we can move on to the next website, that is the SEO Studio.tools. Here you can find amazing tools here that help you in different websites. For example, text tools here, text to compare, rewriting, text to slug converter, text sorter, case converter, YouTube tools here, like YouTube description generator. It's an amazing one, by the way. Title extractor, tag extractor, hashtag generator, YouTube video statistics, and much more of all these tools. And for sure, you can find many of these SEO tools if you have a website and articles, like keyword suggestion tool, meta tag analyzer, and so on and so forth. Perfect. Image editing tools, online calculators, unit converter tools, and so on. And the next directory, for sure, that is smallseotools.com. Here you can find amazing tools here: TikTok video downloader, TikTok to MP4, website checker, Facebook video downloader, and much more of all these tools, perfectly online PDF tools for PDF editing, split PDF numbering, convert a specific format to a PDF, merge PDF, and much more. And the next website, that is toolinone.com. Here you can find perfect tools like for SEO tools, Google Advanced Search Builder, funnel chart, bar chart, and much more. Timestamp converter, and so on and so forth. And the next one, 100, 115.io. All online tools in one box. So as you see here, and for sure you can find many of these ones, categories, text tools, image tools, coding, CSS, color tools, and much more. So if you head over to social media tools, you can find something like Instagram post generator, Instagram filter, tweet generator, Twitter, tweet, WhatsApp, open graph, video thumbnail grabber, and much more. And the next website, that is ittools.tech. As its name suggests, for all tools regarding IT and developers and so on. Okay, JSON to another language here, or DOML, Markdown, URL parser, and so on. And the next website, that is vhere.com. It's a free website that has many of these tools for image editing, for video generation, and so on. So as for the free tools here, you can find these tools: image to image, image to prompt, image to text, anime portrait, happy image generator, graph generator, and much more. And for sure, all of them for free. And the next website, that is AIFreeBox.com, that contains over 500 AI tools for many categories: plugin, sales, social media, copywriting, image editing, generation, and so on. In different categories, as you observe: marketing, SEO, branding, content generation, AI writing, illustrations, creative ideas, and so on. So you can ever to one of them, like the creative ideas, that contains over 87 tools. So here you can find amazing one like AI idea generator, roast generator, clothing brand, podcast name generator, and so on. And the next website, that is fmhy.net, that contains a huge library of these websites that you can visit in different fields for streaming, listening, downloading, reading, and so on. For sure, let's talk about this amazing website individually. You can find this video down below, first comment and description box. And the last website for sure, that is just by going to arena.ai. Here you can find many of these chat models, head-to-head comparison their results. So you can go to side by side to compare between the result of these two different models. It could be from this column, okay, and this one. Then you can insert here your prompt to generate your images, generate ideas, and so on. So now you can find all these websites gathered in one link down below in the first comment and description box. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.